Hello kids, welcome back. Colors: brown color, red color, blue color, black color, violet color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, ice blue color, pink color, light green color. किड्स हम कलर करेंगे अल्फाबेट्स में ए बी सी डी ए टू जी. लेट्स स्टार्ट. ए for apple. A, alphabet A for apple. Alphabet B, B for ball. Alphabet B for ball. Alphabet C, C for cat. Alphabet D, D for dolphin. Alphabet E, E for eagle. Alphabet F. F for fish. Alphabet G. G for goat. Alphabet H. H for horse. Alphabet I. I for ice cream. Alphabet J. J for juice. K. Alphabet K. L. Alphabet L. Alphabet M. Alphabet N. O. P. Q, alphabet Q, R, alphabet R, S, alphabet S, alphabet T, alphabet U, alphabet V, alphabet W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, we colored alphabets A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for well, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zoo. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.